Alright, y'all, what's up? So this is how to diagnose a faulty oil pressure sending unit, aka oil pressure switch. Now, this is on a 5.3, but it applies to the LS engines, 6048. You turn your key to run, which is 2 times, don't start it, and your oil pressure gauge will peg at 80. Let's try. I don't have it. Mine's all set. Start it up. Perfect. Now, if your stepper motor is bad, it's the thing that puts this where it should be. Then it will be stuck. And that will be where your oil pressure claims it is. And that usually happens even if it's off. It will still be in the same spot. Or if you turn it on, it will spin down, or it will do something of that type. Yeah, so that's how you differentiate whether or not this is bad or is the stepper motor on your instrument cluster. You want to make sure you take the right one off. There's a cam sensor, I believe, right next to it. You have to get an oil socket on this. It's a certain one. It's long. Pick it up at a parts store, and you pretty much just unplug it, and you gotta twist it out. Always clean off the inside. Make sure there's no junk in there, because if you can see, that's all like junk. And make sure that you get AC Delco when you replace this, because you don't want to have to go back in there again. And just confirm by putting the key to run, and then checking that gauge right there, making sure that it does not move until the vehicle has been started, which it will then go up to its normal PSI. Oh shit, we got Fox right there. Alright, that was random. But yeah, you get what I mean though. So that should be it. And alright, thanks for watching.